Matthew 18. That time, the disciples come ask Jesus, "Now who big pass for God kingdom?" Jesus come call one pikin stand for their front. Then he answer, "I tell una true word, unless una be like small pikin, una no go fit enter God kingdom. Anybody wey bring himself down like this small pikin, nine big pass for God kingdom. Anybody wey welcome one pikin like this one for my name, welcome me. But if person make one of these small children wey believe me commit sin, e better make them tie grinding stone for him neck, make e for sink inside river." Wahala dey for this world because of the sin wey people dey commit. Na true say trouble must come, but e go bad for the person wey go cause the trouble. If your hand or leg dey make you sin, make you cut am throw away. E better make you enter God kingdom without hand or leg than say God throw you inside fire wey no dey quench. If your eye dey make you sin, make you pull am throw away. E better make you enter God kingdom with one eye than say God throw you enter hellfire with two eyes. Make sure say una no pursue any of the small children comot. I tell una the truth, their angels dey my papa front for heaven every time. Because man pikin come save people wey lost. Wetin you think? If person get 100 sheep and one waka lost, e no go leave the 99 for the bush go find the one wey lost. I tell una true word, when e see am, e go happy for that one pass the 99 wey no lost. Na like this too, your papa for heaven no want make any of him children lost. If your brother do you bad, make you go tell am wetin he do. If he accept wetin you tell am, you don win your brother back be that. But if you no accept wetin you talk, take one or two people follow body go meet am, because matter wey 2 or 3 people talk put, 9 better pass. If you no accept wetin them talk, make you tell the church leaders. If you no gree lis ten to wetin the church leaders talk, then make una treat am like sinner or tax collector. I tell una true word, anything wey una take prayer tie for earth, God go tie am for heaven. And anything wey una take prayer lose for earth, God go lose am for heaven. Again, I tell una true word, if 2 of una for this world gree and pray for anything, my papa for heaven go do am for una. Anywhere 2 or 3 people gather for my name, I go dey there with them. Then Peter come ask Jesus, "Oga God, how many times I go forgive my brother wey do me bad? Na 7 times? Jesus answer am, "No be only 7 times I tell you, but na 490 times. God kingdom be like when one king wey wan know how him servants dey manage him business. As the king dey shake the account, dem come bring one servant wey dey hold 10,000 coins come. Because he no fit pay wetin he hold, the king come order make them sell the man, him wife, him children and everything wey he get take pay the debt. So the servant fall for the king front, dey beg, 'Oga God, make you dey patient with me, I go pay you everything.' The king sorry for the servant, come release am, say make he no pay again. After, the same servant come see another servant wey dey hold am 100 silver coins. He seize am for throat, nearly kill am, come tell am, 'Make you pay me my money.' The servant wey he seize for throat come fall for ground, dey beg am, 'Make you dey patient with me, I go pay you your money.' But he no gree. Instead, he carry am go put am for prison until he go pay wetin he hold. When the other servants see wetin happen, dem no happy at all. So dem come go tell the king everything wey happen. So the king call the first servant, come tell am, 'You wicked servant, I forgive you the big debt wey you owe me because you beg. Wetin make you no sorry for another servant like you, just as I sorry for you?' With vexation, the king come give the servants to soldier, make them suffer am well well until he pay everything wey he dey owe. So na like this too, my papa for heaven go do una if una no forgive una brothers from una heart."
This na Greywood Whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.